How to add note on Instagram posts and reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's begin. First, open Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. You can find the post or reel by going to your profile page for your post or tap the reels icon at bottom of the screen to scroll to the reels. Once you find the post or reel you want to add a note to, tap on it. On photos, tap on the share icon located at bottom of the post. And for the reels, you can do the same. So simply, you can tap on the add note button at bottom of your screen. And here you can easily add anything. You can now mention friends as well. And then you can easily come back. So let's do it again. Then tap on the share button at bottom right corner. And here you can see that we already have added a note. As in the pop-up menu you will see option called. So in this way you can easily add notes on Instagram posts and reels. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked the video, do share, like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.